Welcome to Mickey Pop, where happy rhymes never stop.
A is for apple, shiny and red. E is for bed, where we rest our head. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who loves to play.
E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, who jumps along. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hat, we wear on our seat. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jelly, shiny and bold. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, who roars at the sky. M is for moon, that glows at night. N is for nest, birds build it right. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for puppy, who barks all around. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow, up and down. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging in sight. U is for umbrella, for rainy weather. V is for violin, music together. W is for whale, splashing the sea. X is for xylophone, playing with glee. Y is for yak, with fluffy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear. Now we've sung our ABC rhyme.
Let's clap our hands.